Are you ready to stitch your way to sewing stardom? Whether you're channeling your inner designer or just tired of your wardrobe's same old lineup, picking the right sewing machine can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll unravel the best sewing machines for beginners. Because let's face it, no one wants to be stuck with a machine that's more temperamental than a cat in a bathtub. So grab your fabric and let's thread the needle on choice, shall we? Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Brother XM2701, our pick for best budget sewing machine for beginners. If you're ready to embark on your sewing adventure without emptying your bank account, the Brother XM2701 sewing machine is like your best buddy cheering you on from the sidelines. This isn't just any machine. It's as friendly and eager to help as a puppy who thinks every fabric scrap is a plaything for your creative dreams. Setting it up? Easy peasy. With quick start instructions that are so clear, even your cat would be impressed you'll be up and running in no time. And when you're feeling ambitious, ready to tackle that quilt or a couture masterpiece, there's a comprehensive 52-page manual waiting to turn you into a sewing wizard. We threw the XM2701 into the ring during a stitch-off, and let me tell you, the results on both cotton and denim were as tidy as your home after a spontaneous cleaning spree. With 27 stitch options on the dial, changing up your sewing game is almost as effortless as switching from one reality show to another. No more frustrating thread tangles. The jam-resistant drop-in bobbin has your back. With its straightforward design, you'll be asking yourself why you didn't dive into sewing sooner. And with a price that'll make your wallet smile rather than weep, it scores a solid 5 out of 5 for value. So grab that fabric and get ready to unleash your inner sewing champ. You've totally got this. Number 4. SINGER M1500, our pick for best lightweight and portable sewing machine for beginners. Are you ready to embark on your sewing journey with the SINGER M1500, the lightweight champion of portable sewing machines? Packed with 57 stitch applications, this little marvel is like having your own mini sewing studio. Whether you're whipping up stylish outfits, piecing together a quilt, or tackling simple mending, you'll find the perfect stitch at your fingertips. Everything from classic straight stitches to decorative scallops that would make even Picasso proud. Selecting stitches is a breeze with the intuitive Stitch Selector dial. You can say goodbye to confusion and hello to stress-free sewing. Just turn the dial and you're ready to roll. The machine's preset stitch length and width mean there's no second guessing, giving you the confidence of a seasoned pro right from the start. Need to tackle buttonholes? The 4-step buttonhole process will have you sewing like a fashionista in no time. Threading? Child's play, thanks to the handy guides right on the machine. With its sturdy metal frame, this machine isn't just about looks, it's built to last. Plus, with Stay Bright LED lighting, your sewing space will be brighter than your future. The SINGER M1500 even comes with all the necessities to get started, including presser feet and extra bobbins. So are you ready to unleash your inner designer, sew some fabulous creations, and dazzle your friends with your newfound talent? Still searching for the perfect sewing machine for beginners? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Brother CS7000X, our pick for best quilting sewing machine for beginners. If you're ready to dive into the fabulous world of sewing and quilting, say hello to your new best friend, the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine. Trust us, it's the ultimate beginner machine that will have you stitching like a pro in no time. Threading the bobbin? No sweat. In just a tick over 4 minutes, you'll have it done, thanks to the handy instruction manual packed with illustrations. This snazzy machine boasts a slick LCD screen that flaunts a stunning selection of 70 stitches, including those coveted quilting options. Talk about a stitch party. But wait, there's more. With 10 presser feet, including a free motion quilting foot and a quilt guide, you'll feel like a fabric magician. And that quilt table, it transforms your workspace into a quilting oasis. Features? You bet. This bad boy scores a glorious 5 out of 5. Still not convinced? The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin will have you wondering how you ever sewed without them. No more pesky thread tangles to ruin your creative flow. And when it comes to value, this machine is a steal. After thorough researching, we confidently give it a perfect score, making it your go-to companion on this sewing adventure. So grab your fabric, unleash your creativity, and let the Brother CS7000X take you on a stitch-filled journey that'll keep you smiling. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423, our pick for best high-speed sewing machine for beginners. Are you ready to unleash your inner sewing superstar? Meet the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, the high-speed sewing machine that makes you look like a pro, even if you're just getting started. With 97 stitch applications at your fingertips, you can dive into everything from basic seams to fancy decorative stitches and even nail that one-step buttonhole. No more needle threading woes either. The automatic needle threader will have you sewing in no time, minus the eye strain and frustration. This little powerhouse zips through your projects at a blistering 1100 stitches per minute, thanks to its 60% stronger motor. Whether you're tackling thick denim or layers of chiffon, this machine doesn't back down. It's built to last with a heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed. And let's talk about accessories. The 4423 comes with an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and more, all neatly stored in the accessory tray like a well-oiled team ready for action. You'll never lose that pesky bobbin again, thanks to the clear cover that lets you peek at your thread stash. Plus, with the Stay Bright LED lighting, your sewing area will be bathed in bright, inviting light, banishing shadows to the dark corners. So, get ready to stitch your dreams into reality with the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, where every seam is a step toward your next masterpiece. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother XR3774, our pick for best sewing machine for beginners overall. If you've ever found yourself tangled in a web of thread and fabric, wondering how sewing machines are supposed to make life easier, let me introduce you to the Brother XR3774, your new best friend in the world of stitching. This nifty little machine isn't just a pretty face. It boasts 37 unique built-in stitches, including everything from blind hems to decorative options that will make your projects stand out. Plus, it's got a one-step buttonhole feature that'll have you wondering why buttonholes were ever a headache. What's that? You don't want to waste time threading needles? The XR3774 has your back with its automatic needle threader. Just sit back and let it work its magic. And with a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, you'll spend less time fiddling and more time creating. But wait, there's more! This incredible sewing machine comes loaded with goodies: a cozy cover, a spacious wide table for those big projects, and not 1, not 2, but 8 sewing feet to tackle any task you throw its way. The versatile free arm means you can whip up anything from quilts to cute little outfits for your pets. Whether you're a complete novice or have some experience, the Brother XR3774 is your ticket to sewing success. So roll up your sleeves, grab your fabric, and let's dive into the delightfully creative world of sewing. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best sewing machines for beginners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which sewing machine for beginners you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.